Hello friends, welcome once again to Saga's Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to this particular question on the board, this exponential what equation. Please, if it is your first time viewing, kindly click up the follow button to enter another exciting video. You'll be notified. Let's consider this question on the board. Now, we are asked to find the value of x. We are going that e to the power of 2x minus 4 into e to the power of x minus 5 is equals to 0. If you can observe very well, you know that this is a quadratic equation. Now, what are we going to do? Do you know that by one of the law of indices, I can also write, since I know that if I have e to the power of x multiplied by e to the power of x, the law of indices say that when the base are the same, the e is like the base, and this is the index, which is the x here and the x here. So, and the relationship between them is what? Multiplication. So what we do, we take a single base and add the power. So now we what? E to the power, take a single base and add the what? Index, which is x plus what? X. So x plus x is what? Is equals to what? E to the power of what? 2x. You can see, that means that this is e to the power of 2x, as e to the power of 2x. So that means I can express e to the power of 2x as what? E to the power of x multiplied by e to the power of what? X. You can see how simple it is. So I can remove this and do that. So I can write this as what? E to the power of what? X multiplied by e to the power of what? X. It is same thing as what? E to the power of 2x minus 4 into e to the power of x, close the parenthesis, minus 5. All this equals to what? 0. Now let's check in this equation very well. You know that something is common. We are having that e to the power of x here, we are having e to the power of x here, we are also having e to the power of x here. So since they are common, I can say let it represent by any variable. So I now say that let e to the power of s equals to what? P. You people know I always like p. Now anywhere I see e to the power of s, I will now substitute the value of p. And now this is what? P multiplied by p minus 4 into p minus what? 5 is equals to what? 0. You can see. So p times p is what? Is p square. Minus 4 times p is what? Minus 4p minus 5. All is equals to what? 0. Now you can see that we are going to simple quadratic equation, a form of quadratic equation. So what are we going to do? Let's look for the factors of 5. Then we multiply them, we have minus what? 5. Then we add them, we have minus what? 4. We know that 1 minus 5 is what? Is minus 4. And 1 to multiply by minus 5 is what? Is minus 5. So now that this is p square minus plus p minus 5p minus 5 is equals to what? 0. You can see, because p minus 5p will give you minus 4p, and p minus, because the coefficient of p here is 1, so 1 times minus 5 is going to give you minus 5, which is constant. So what is common here? You can see that p is common. I bring out p, since p is common, into p squared divided by p is p. Then p divided by p is what? Is plus what? 1. You can see what is common here. Minus 5 is common. I factorize this out into minus 5p divided by minus 5 is what? Is p. Minus 5 divided by minus 5 is what? Plus what? 1. All this equals to what? 0. Now let me put what is outside into a single parenthesis. And now this is into what is outside. P is outside, minus 5 is outside. Put them in a single parenthesis. This and this are the same. I can take one of them, p plus 1. That all this is equals to what? 0. Now when the product of two things is equals to 0, it means that either one of the parentheses is equals to what? 0. So now see that p minus 5 is equals to 0, or p plus 1 is equals to what? 0. Now you can see that you are going to simple linear equation. What are we going to do? Here we are going to add 5 to both sides. Now see that p is equals to what? 5 by adding 5 to both sides, or p is equals to what? Here by subtracting 1 from both sides. Now p is equals to what? Minus what? 1. Now let's recall that because we are not asked to solve for p, we are asked that what is the value of p. We are asked that what is the value of x. I know you'll be wondering that, Saga, why are you using p instead of solving for x? We are using p so that this problem can be easily what? Solvable. Remember that we are asked to find what? The value of what? S. Now recall that e to the power of s is equals to what? Is equals to what? P. You see, because e to the power of s equals to what? 3. So let's see when p is equals to 5. You can see when p is equals to 5. So when p is equals to 5, when p is equals to what? 5. Now that this is what? E to the power of s is equals to what? 5. You can see. So what are we going to do here? What we are going to do here is to take the what? Either the natural logarithm of both sides or take the logarithm of both sides. But since it's in e, let's take the natural logarithm in both sides. So take that ln e to the power of s is equals to what? Ln 5. Now, by one of the properties of logarithm, so that when you have the index here or the power, you can also take it back to the logarithm to multiply the logarithm. So now this is s ln e is equals to what? Ln what? 5. Now we know that this ln is in base what? Is in base e. So log e to the base of e, because since this ln is in what? Base e. So log e ln to the base of ln will give you what? 1. This is what? X into what? 1 is equals to what? Ln what? 5. You see? So x multiplied by 1, that means s is equals to what? Ln what? 5. And this is just a clear solution to this particular problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you find it very interesting, if you ask that, Sagas, why didn't you use -1? I don't want to use -1 because since I'm having negative value, I don't want to stress myself enough. But I know that when p is equals to 5, at least this is the solution to this problem. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Bye bye.